Let's take a look at the Lasko Air Circulating Box Fan, CFM. Weather resistant motor for worry-free window use. 3 quiet speeds, top mounted controls, easy carry handle, a 1-year warranty. That's my All-Star node going off on ham radio Venture Overland. Brian Meister Talk Group 31655. You can also find it on TGIF 31655. So this is color white, model number B20200. Let's get it out of the box. There isn't really much to it to show you, but probably one of the better brands to get. And while I'm at it, I got this at Walmart for right around $18. Big Lots carries them for about the same. I seen them at Home Depot the other day for $25, and then I seen them at another store for $35. So if you're paying more than $20 for one of these, take it back. Don't buy it. Go get it somewhere cheaper, because it can be had cheaper. When you open the box, you're not going to find any packaging. No protective wrap. You're going to find the 2 legs stuffed up underneath there, like a kid with a little model car kit. You're going to break those apart. Those are going to slide into the bottom. There's your paperwork. So when you get the little leg things broken apart, they're going to look like this. Get 2 of them. That's going to help keep the box fan upright. I got the fan turned upside down. I take that, slide that into there. Smooth side goes down. Remember, you're doing upside down. Got to stop the camera. I got to give that a little slap in. I'll be right back. There we go. Got them in. Turn the fan over. There you go. You can see it there. And they do this little thing with the cord. They tuck the cord into the grate. You just pull it back through the handle and around. I would guesstimate the cord is probably 5 feet if you're lucky. I don't think it's quite 6, but it's good enough to give you at least an outlet, and you can move the box fan, position it, whatever else. And here you can see this one I have going. It sits here. It's been running for the last month or so since I got it. I got several of these. One in my daughter's room. I really prefer the Lasko wind machine fans, but I can't seem to find them around Rutland, Vermont area. So anyways, this is close to WindFlow air movement CFMs, but not quite as great as the wind machine. A lot better than old box fans of yesteryears when I was a kid, a teenager. Those things were so slow, so pathetic. This thing actually moves air. They're quite nice. Turned it up to high so you can hear that. Thanks for reviewing, and your subscription and your purchases through our store help this channel greatly. Simply Ham Radio-20 for all your purchases. Check out my other channel, Simply Ham Radio, for all your amateur radio product reviews. Support either of my channels, patreon.com, Simply Ham Radio. Thank you.